Zimbabwe, 263, 263. We sing your name. 263. Forever we'll remain. From the mountains to the plains, let the whole world hear us say 263. The heart of Africa. 263. The heart of Africa. Where the sun rises over golden land, where dreams are built by many hands, where rivers flow and children play, we celebrate Zimbabwe today. From city lights to village roads, 1,000 stories fill our souls. Together standing proud and free, we raise our voices for 263. 263. Hey! We sing your name. 263. Forever we'll remain. From the mountains to the plains, let the whole world hear us say 263. The heart of Africa. Oh yeah. 263. The heart of Africa. Hey, hey, yeah, hey, hey, yeah. 263. Hey, 263. Sing it loud. 263. Hey, sing it proud. 263. Oh yeah. Victoria falls in the morning light. Bear our songs through the night. The spirit of our mothers and fathers lives on, guiding us to carry on. Hiya, hiya. Every language, every tribe, one heartbeat, one pride, Together we will always be the shining home of 263. Raise your